Good morning, Internet. June 9th, Jesse here, Supernova Design Company. Let's get started. Today's focus is efficient work. We have business, not business related meetings in the morning with the wife. And we have pick up some kiddos early to get prepared for recital tonight. So we have a smaller chunk of time to work. And we also have the recital tonight. And we may go do something nice after that. So we have a small chunk of time to work. So we need to make that really efficient. That's the challenge. Tasks today, finished yesterday's video. It was my birthday. And we took it easy, had fun, had a good birthday. Challenges today, getting that video done yesterday, getting it all done with just a whole bunch of different things today. What do they call that? Task switching. So today's a high task switching day. Gonna try and focus on just getting it all done. Okie doke. We are recording. End of the day summary for whatever today is. What did we get done? Strength tests completed, and we prepped a bunch of pins to start building kitchen racks. What I learned today, this is a pretty big list. I kind of listed some stuff that occurred to me in the shop, but may or may not be shop related. This was a pretty common one, but it got me thinking, listen way more than you speak. Not that I was talking to anybody in the workshop there by myself. On the same note, only speak or share when you add value or gain advantage. Yeah, aside from close friends and family, nobody really cares anyway. We need to chamfer the inside of the beans and the rice, the beams, so they go right up against the edge of the bracket. Going forward, I think we're going to look at drilling holes in the whole metal wood sandwich at once, because there is alignment issues with what I was doing, hand measuring each one at a time. Maybe I shouldn't be admitting that online, but doing one thing one at a time. Templates before, and I spent a lot of time making templates, and I realized I was changing things. It doesn't make sense to make a template if you are changing things. When you're all done and got a good, solid, final finished thing, then make a template. That was what I learned today also. Just snuck that one in there and I didn't write it down. Chamfer the ends of the beams and don't chamfer the pins where the washers are going to go on top. The tighter the fit and the smaller the gap, the easier it is to get the two sides of the melted metal. God damn it. Anyway, what else did we learn today? Sometimes you can't see the fog until it lifts. It feels to me specifically lately like some fog is lifting. Getting the electronic life organized, the real life organized, the workshop getting organized, and all these things make getting useful work done better. And I was like, oh geez, I kind of see what's going on behind the scenes, and it's nice to feel this stuff coming together. What else did we learn today? We learned not to say what else 100 times. Learned a 12-inch cast iron pan weighs about 7.4 pounds. And last but not least, we learned for the POR process of record Wally beam, the little short one we were testing today, the beam and bracket will hold a static load of at least 46 kilograms or 101.4 pounds or 13 12-inch cast iron pans. In case we sell these and you want to hang 13 pans off of one rack, have at it. We're confident that the rack will stay together. So that's it. Have a good weekend.